Hello everybody, my name is Connor and this is another video for 1 Minute English. If you like these videos, please hit the subscribe button below and I will make a lot more of these videos for you. Okay, today's lesson is about the difference between to lend and to borrow. Okay, so the way that I think about this is who has the object, right? For example, this pen. This pen is my pen, okay? The person who has the object lends, okay? So I can lend you my pen. And the person who wants the object borrows. So you ask me, can I borrow your pen? Okay? Think about another example like a bank, right? A bank has all the money, right? So the bank lends money, and you and me and everybody else, we borrow money. Okay? Try to write some more examples in the comments and we'll talk again tomorrow.